What is going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, another LED bulb video. Yes, a little repetitive, but I'm getting where I need to be on this car, and I've never done a set of high beams. Lasfit again. Seeing how I got the 9006s for the low beams, I am going to do the 9005s for the high beams, and we are going to see how they work. So, without further ado, let's get these bad boys installed now. Nice looking bulbs, just like before. And if you need to know how to install these things in detail, check out my other video on this. I go into more detail. Here, I'm just going to time lapse while I do it. So let the time lapse begin now. Alright, so check this out, guys. I know there's a lot of plastic on BMWs, but to take the air cleaner out, you have to take the overflow off, and this is what happened. This overflow pipe, it just broke, snapped right in half, and all I did was unsnap it from the top of the air cleaner, so I gotta fix that. Alright guys, so this is what I did here. This is the piece that broke off. You can see it's barbed just a little bit, just a little ridge there for the hose clamp to go. So I just undid the clip here so I could slide the tube down further, and then I put a regular hose clamp on it, and she seems pretty snug, so I'll see if that works. But for a permanent fix, I'm gonna run coolant hose, actual hose, all the way down here instead of this half plastic crap. So that can be prevented. Anyway, let's check these headlights out. Alright guys, there she is, twins. Let's see how she does tonight. Alright, bunch of deer over there. So this is just the low beams right here. And it's still kind of lit up here, but there's the brights. Pretty big difference that I can see right here anyway. We'll get down in the where there's no lights, then we'll try it then. Alright, so I'm looking straight ahead into the trees, and those are the low beams there. High beams. Just to put that into perspective there. Anyway, I don't think I've ever showed you guys yet, even really driving this, but at night, it's got this cool reddish, orangish color for the lights, the instrument panel lights. But here we go. Here are the low beams, high beams. Hopefully this comes out pretty good, but on the camera, you never know until you watch it back. But I mean, this is big difference. Yeah, she's really lighting up the road with these, I can tell you that much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I'm happy.
the GoPro didn't have such a wide angle. I've even got it on linear and off. It's still hard to tell. On, I love the instantaneous light you get. I love it. Alright, so we got a pretty wide stretch of road here, so bam. Lights it up. Really, really good. And it's not that yellow. I mean, I don't know. Just something about the bright white that I like. And there she is at night. Both of them shining bright. Yeah, that's bright. Let's throw some heat too. We can feel it. Anyway.